Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the actual page break so you can remove it precisely. Open the document and visually scan for a large blank gap or the dotted page break indicator. Make sure to enable visible markers if you can. Once located, click to place the cursor directly before or after the break. This positioning determines what content joins when removed. Doing this prevents accidental deletion of paragraph text and ensures the following steps modify layout rather than content. Now remove the break using the keyboard. If your cursor sits before the page break, press Delete. If it sits after, press Backspace. This action pulls the following content up into the previous page. If a section break governs headers or margins, use format line and paragraph spacing or insert break section break to convert instead of deleting. Make sure to inspect headers and footers after removal, because section-level breaks control those settings and may need manual adjustment. Finish by confirming the document flows correctly. Scroll and check that text and images reflow without unexpected gaps. If the page persists, look for hidden large empty paragraphs, tables, or oversized images that force a new page. Delete or resize them. If headers, footers, or margins behaved oddly, undo the change and remove a section break instead of a page break, or manually sync header/footer content. If anything goes wrong, use undo immediately and retry with the cursor placement method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.